our first paper, plane geometry and lettering. And in this plane geometry, we are taking the 3 points: division of lines, construction of perpendiculars, and dividing an angles into equal parts. But division of lines, to bisect a given straight line, to divide a given line into 4 or 8 equal parts. Third, to divide a given line into any number of equal parts. And construction of perpendicular. The fourth topic is to draw a perpendicular to given line from the given point on it. And then fifth one is to draw a perpendicular to given line from the given point outside it. And the next point is dividing an angle into equal parts. Means sixth one is to bisect a given angle and to trisect a right angle without using protraction. Let's start with the first question. First question is bisect the line AB 5 cm long. Draw line AB 5 cm long with A as the center and radius slightly larger than half of the AB. Draw arc on the both sides of line AB with the same radius. Draw an arc intersecting the former ones at the point C and D. Then draw CD intersecting line AB in point O. Like and subscribe. The next question, number 2. Divide line AB 7 cm long into 4 equal parts. So draw line AB 7 cm. Divide into 2 equal parts, AO and BO. The middle point. Then we are doing the same first question. So first you draw perpendicular line. This is the point O. Divide line AO further into 2 equal parts. So first left side, then right side. Name the bisecting point as the C. Similarly divide line OB into 2 equal parts. Name the bisecting point as D. Thus the 3 points C, O, D. Divide line AB into 4 equal parts. Line AB has been divided into 4 equal parts. Draw line AB 8 cm in length. At point A, draw angle BAC of any measure or draw like this. I will show you. Okay. Then next, on the line AC, this is the point C. We are doing arc, and this point is D. So draw the slanting line or join the